Just like your car, these are great machines, but in order to keep them in tip-top shape, you need to treat them right. Now, your manual is going to tell you what oil you need. STP Premium Small Engine 4-Cycle Oil SAE 30 is formulated with high-performance additives, antioxidants, and detergents to help keep the engine clean all summer long. STP SAE 10W30 is a synthetic oil blend. It's got all the same STP technology in it, and it's engineered to deliver peak performance all year round, in all sorts of weather. Remember, these are great machines and they can last a long time if you treat them right. STP, inside every great machine.